Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to install this Pipishel TV mount. So here's the bags of screws. These screws are what you're going to use to assemble this bracket that's going to be mounted to the TV. This is a 43-inch TV. Here we have the screws that are going to attach the mount to the TV. And then we've got some spacers also. And then we've also got these big long lag wood screws for mounting the actual mount. Now, I did find a 2x4 in my wall, and I was able to screw the lag bolt right into the 2x4. And you can see there's about 6 inches by about 2.5 inches is what you need. And then it's going to articulate out. With it straight out, looks like it's about 14 inches. Now, there are 2 screws right here. That's what you're going to have to take out to hold the TV. So we're going to set that bracket on these little ears, and then you'll have to have a screwdriver, a number 2, or no, that's an Allen, I'm sorry. You'll have to have a Allen wrench, which they do supply. Once you rotate the bracket up, then you've got to put these screws in. So take them out in preparation for mounting it. And this is the bracket that's going to mount to that, as we see. When you mount this, you're going to set this, and those little ears catch. It's a little tight, and then you can rotate it, but you want to put those screws in right there, so that'll hold it. So we're going to take this over to my 43-inch TV. You get these ears, and there's a little notch right there. That's going to go on the bottom. See, there's a little spot for it right there, and then you can put the bolt through wherever you'd like. There is an up arrow on it, so this is the TV going up. And I can mount these in different locations to get different spacings. But I think I'm just going to need mine to go straight out. And here I am assembling it. So these are the bolts you're going to use. They have like a flat side on them, and that's going to get caught in there to hold it. So you put it through there, and then again, this little dimple goes right in that spot. And then these are 7/16 nuts that you're going to put on and tighten. Now it's just a matter of finding what size screw you want, or if you need a spacer or a washer. But I've got my screws in, and then you're simply going to, you want to use the shortest screw possible so it doesn't go into the TV. There. All right, now we're ready to mount this and put those screws in to go to the side. Again, they do give you an Allen wrench. You will need that for that. Now, in case you're wondering, that is a number 4mm. Now, take note of the screw that you're going to use. It's got 2 washers. One of them's concave. That's going to go out towards the mount. Okay, I've got the TV mounted. Now, it is a little loose, twisting. So I do need to tighten that nut right there. That's going to tighten everything. And I think, yeah, I can just tighten the nut. It's easier to take the TV off. It's a 1/2 inch socket. And it's probably, get that nice and, you can definitely make sure that's level. You could put a level here, make sure that's level, and then make sure this is tight. That TV was a little loose. Like, it wasn't loose like it was going to fall off. It was just loose. It would go left or right. Okay, here's what the final product looks like. Again, use your Allen wrench and tighten those down pretty tight. That way it makes it pretty stiff, so it articulates. That's your tilt, up, down. But yeah, I like this little mount. I like that it's stiff, so it'll stay wherever you got it. Again, this is a 43-inch TV. Again, it looks really nice. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.